Yehla intekele isizwe sibukele ucingo luwile sekutsiba nemazi. Abaxhuzula imikhaya balele lento mna ndiyazi. Yehla intekele isizwe sibukele. Bewu kuyonakala. Baphethe iqele nhlangothi zombini abanaxolo nasisa ubuso obuntshingintshingi. Baquletha inqumbe eqhawula uqhoqhoqho ngamaqhaqa aqhikileka kwivumba lempongo. Elaba ivumba elitsarhaya baliva ntlobo basolathisa kwelirhaba xalonobobo. Xa sibabuza babika imbiba babika ibuzi basilalisa ngophothe bathi lala gusha ndikuchebe. Bafana nqwana ogqithisa umntwana kunina. Yehla intekele ucingo luwile sekutsiba nemazi kunjalo nje. Into zobawo khanilungisa ukuhlala kuyonakala. Isizwe sikamnguni siyanququleka sisinqala. Sijongene ngezikhondo zamehlo siyabulalana. Yehla intekele isizwe sibukele cingo luwile sekutsiba nemazi. Abaxhuzula imikhala ingabalele lento mna ndiyazi. Oh yehla intekele isizwe sibukele. Them leaders see them bring confusion upon our population. It's discrimination, abomination in a leap of them nation. Them play mind games, political corruption in every kind of perspective. We still suffer separation because of the border that was installed during colonization. With these borders it will take time to reach unification. It is those borders that give by night distraction. It is those borders that stay by night meditation. We want the United States of Africa, but with the borders zolosuka lisakuze lafika. Sifana nokulinda ukuza kancele. Yehla intekele isizwe sibukele. Cingo luwile sekutsiba nemazi. Yehla intekele isizwe sibukele. Ucingo luwile sekutsiba nemazi. Oh. The political activities, them need some hygiene. It's so dirty in a political environment. Political corruption in every government is so bad as the leader in our street. It's the political things that bring a nice separation. It's the Babylon system that bring a nice division. Because we say together we talk, and I say together we walk, and together we wash one another's feet. As we say, until the color of the man is no longer significant, and the color of his eyes almost high last year. Yehla intekele ke isizwe sibukele. Abaxhuzula imikhala ingabalele lento mna ndiyazi. Yehla intekele isizwe sibukele. Isirayeli ke lo. Mphokozi magama nengqondo kwabaqiqayo. The linguistic man. More fire, we bring the love upon African nation. Selassie I lead. Let us unite as we are one African.